90% of retail traders lose money in 90 days. Are you one of them? Or are you ready to trade like a professional and stop guessing market direction? Most traders fail because they rely on news, social media hype, and emotions. They chase trades, overtrade, and eventually blow up their accounts. But what if you had a professional approach? You see, institutions don't trade based on YouTube predictions or Twitter posts. They use data, leading indicators that show them where the market is heading before it moves. Retail traders? They're left behind, always reacting too late. That's why you need a repeatable strategy, a system used by pros to predict market movements with confidence. I built this course to bridge the gap between retail traders and professionals. Here's what you'll get inside. Leading indicator analysis, so you know what's coming, not what already happened. Market sentiment mastery. Understand what institutions are doing before the market reacts. A data-driven trading system. No guessing, no emotions, just a structured, professional approach. Trade like a pro, step by step. Learn exactly how to analyze key data and spot high-probability setups. I've spent years in the markets. I know what works and what's complete nonsense. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about developing a repeatable, profitable approach to trading. The same approach that keeps professional traders in the game long-term. If you learn to structure your trades correctly and cut a losing position at about 5% to 10% and let your winning trades run and have a stop loss at 33%, then you can get more trades wrong and still have positive account. Most retail traders do the opposite and let losers run and sit and watch their account to zero because they can't admit that they got it wrong and are not disciplined enough to cut a losing trade. Managing risk is the most important thing to learn. Cut losers and run your winners, and admit when you're wrong is key. Download my free Ultimate Trading Framework plan in the comments section and start focusing on shifting your amateur trading approach to trading like a professional with a data-driven approach and cut out market noise. So you have two choices right now. Keep trading like everyone else and get the same losing results. Or take control of your trading, learn how professionals analyze markets, and start trading with confidence. Click the link below to join the course today and transform your trading forever.